How to turn off or turn on timer on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Here we go. With that, your camera will open up. Now at the top right corner, you will find different icons. Tap on this plus icon. With that, you're gonna get different options. Scroll down, hit towards the option of timer. Tap on it. With that, you have turned on timer on your Snapchat account. Now by tapping on this icon, you can easily set the countdown. Tapping on this icon, you can select if you want to set timer for video or photo. Now timer for photo is enabled, but if you tap on this icon, the timer for video will be enabled. Now you can use this icon to customize the countdown for your video or photo timer. This is how you can easily turn on Snapchat timer. Likewise, in the case you want to turn off, you have to tap on this icon again. With that, timer will be turned off. This is how you can easily turn on and turn off timer on Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.